Logical reasoning. Implications. Let's look at a sample exam question. Sub-question 1. Write an implication based on the given antecedent and consequent above. Sub-question 2. Hence, write an inverse of the implication. This is a 2-mark question, 1 mark for each sub-question. In an implication, or an if-then statement, the if component is the antecedent, and the then component is the consequent. Simply add if and then, and join them up. Sub-question 1 is done, and you get 1 mark. Isn't it straightforward? Now, let's go to sub-question 2. When the antecedent is P, and the consequent is Q, by negating both of them, we can get the inverse. Negating an equation is as simple as changing the equal sign to a not equal sign. Write a complete sentence. 1 mark is given. Sometimes, the question may require you to determine the truth value of the statement that you write. Make sure you double-check the question before moving on to the next question.